Hello viewers, looking for a professional salary slip you can actually use in your office or workplace? Let's build one in Excel that updates automatically with just a click. In this video, Learn Accounting Pro Studio will guide you through creating a fully automated salary slip in Excel. I will also show you how to use this SpellNumber function to bring net salary number into words in your salary slip, as this SpellNumber function isn't built into Excel by default. You can also download a free ready-made template of this salary slip from the video description. So let's start. First, we will set up the layout. Go to the View tab and switch to Page Layout. Now adjust the column widths. Select column A and F and press Alt-HOW on the keyboard and set widths to 0.45 and hit enter. Similarly, set columns B through E to 1.5. Now add company details. Skip the first row. Merge cells from B2 to E2 and type your company name. Do the same on the next row for company address. Right. Now bold and adjust the font size of the company name to 20 and address to 12. Leave one row blank, then merge the next row from B through E and type salary slip. Make the text bold, enlarge the font size to 18 and apply a thick bottom border like this. Now add fields such as employee ID in cell B7 here, employee name in cell D7, designation in cell B8 and month or year in cell D8. Now select these and bold and italic and increase font size to 12. Now highlight this area and select all borders. Now insert two main headers, earnings in cell B10 and deductions in cell D10. Now merge these cells like this and bold and italic and increase font size to 12. Right. Now under this earnings, list basic salary, HRA, transport allowance, bonus and total earnings. Now under deductions, list provident fund, health insurance, loan, tax and total deductions. Now skip one row, then add net salary and salary in words. Now select this range and bold and italic. Now select this whole range and center align and select all borders. Now merge the cells C, D and E here for a clean look like this. Now skip one row again and write salary paid by with two options, cash or check. Right. Now go to the developer tab. If you can't find developer tab, just right mouse click anywhere in the ribbon, then customize the ribbon and check developer box here and then press OK. Now go to the Developer tab, Insert, and select this checkbox and draw them here like this. And similarly for check, insert and draw it here. Right. Once added, you can easily tick the box depending on whether the payment is made in cash or by check. Now skip one row and merge this row at the bottom and this one as well, and add placeholders for employee signature and director signature, and use underscore to create space for signing like this. Right. Now select this range and apply thick border around the slip and use white fill color for neatness like this. Now add a fill color to the earnings and deductions headers so they pop. We will select this color. Right. To calculate total earnings and total deductions, use Excel's sum function and select this range, close parenthesis and hit enter, and copy and paste here. Right. For net salary here, use formula equals to total earnings minus total deductions. This subtracts all deductions from the total earnings to calculate the net salary. To display salary in words here, use the SpellNumber function. You won't find the SpellNumber function built into Excel by default, but you can watch my detailed video linked to the top right here on how to add this feature and convert numbers into words. I've also shared the VBA code and video link in the description. Now we will simply go to the Developer tab, Visual Basic, Insert, Module, and select all of this VBA code that I've attached with the video and paste it here and close it. Now you can use SpellNumber function. Here you can see it. This, we will select our currency as dollar and our sub currency as cent, and we don't want to display sub currency, so we will select false and hit enter. You can see here it's showing $0 only. Now let's make the salary slip fully dynamic. Instead of entering each detail manually, we'll link it to a second sheet here where I've already prepared the employee salary data. To do this, we will create a drop down in cell C7 here by going to Data tab, select Data Validation, choose List, and then in Source, select the range of employee ID on the salary data sheet so a drop down appears and any chosen ID automatically fills the slip, and hit enter and then press OK. Now you can select any ID from a drop down menu. Now we'll use the VLOOKUP function to pull in the employee's details automatically from the salary data sheet based on the ID you select. So for that we will be using this table, which we have named here. You can see table 1, and these are all the columns. So now let's use the VLOOKUP function. Type equals to VLOOKUP. Lookup value is the employee ID, comma, table array is the full table of salary data named table 1, comma, column index number tells Excel which columns information from this table to bring back. For example, column 2 for name, column 3 for the designation, and so on. So we have employee name in column 2 here, so we will type here 2 close parenthesis and hit enter, and here you can see we get John Miller. Employee 001 is John Miller, right? This finds the entered employee ID in your data table and returns the corresponding details such as name, designation, and so on. Now copy the same formula into other cells to retrieve additional fields like designation and salary components. But first we will apply $sign to the employee ID here. Press F4 on the keyboard to fix the employee ID cell and just change the column index number for each individual cell. So now copy it, paste here, and designation is in column 3, so change it to column 3, and there you have CEO. Now do this for all the fields. And finally for tax, column is 12, right? Now select this range, middle align. Now highlight the salary related cells, press Ctrl 1 and choose your desired currency. We will select dollar here with 0 decimals and press OK. We will adjust alignment of this as well, right? Now let's test the automation to check if everything is working. Change the employee ID from the drop down. Instantly all employee details and salary slip values will update like this, right? And that's how you build a professional, fully automated salary slip in Excel ready to be used in your office or workplace. Try it out today and don't forget to subscribe to Learn Accounting Pro Studio for more practical Excel automation tutorials you can apply on the job. Thanks for watching, keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next one.